Product Club has been a leader in hair color education since 1991, and now it's easier than ever to get access to our groundbreaking, technique-based classes, demos, and tutorials led by experienced industry professionals. You'll learn the latest techniques in hair color like balayage, highlighting, baby lighting, foliage, color melting, as well as business strategies like social media, brand building, salon management, and more. Our mission is always to innovate, educate, and inspire colorists like you. So we created this platform that combines our superior color tools with a comprehensive educational program that focuses on modern yet timeless hair color techniques designed to advance your artistry, build upon your salon expertise, and increase your success in the industry. Whether you're just starting out in your career as a colorist or a seasoned professional who's looking to improve your technique and build upon your skill set, our education will supply you with the information needed to take your talent to the next level and elevate your craft.